When we deal with the theory of multiple intelligences and its uses in educational system, we find that some people had a predominant musical intelligence, others had a predominant logical mathematical intelligence, and so on, different types of intelligences. Why this disparity among individuals? Because some of the brain areas may be having a better function in them. Gerald Edelman had put forth a neural Darwinian theory which postulates cooperation and competition between massive number of neurons in the brains, and the winning neurons by coalition, some of them win, are the conscious ones, and the others are also functioning but not in the limelight of the stage of activity. They are hidden. So all of us have all the potentials for development of artistic as well as scientific faculties, and possibility of one person developing only one faculty is due to the neural Darwinian or dynamic core hypothesis according to him. Suppose there is a person in whom the two sets of neuronal coalition for both art and science, we will say right and left, function equally balanced, and none is taking an upper hand, then he or she can understand or cognize both arts and sciences, and in such a brain the duality of art and science, the spirituality and worldly life, get nullified. See, I said spirituality, not religion. That is a different word. Spirituality and science are actually same. Whereas religion is not that like that. The lucid intervals of meditational life of several people in the past, like the Buddha, the Krishna, the Christ, the Prophet, and in the present, modern people, could be such states as postulates. This is what the Indian, the ancient Chinese, the Kabbalah, meditational techniques all claim. And that we have to experiment with ourselves. That we have to do ourselves. Books claim like that, but we have to experiment our own spirituality by our conscious neuronal networks. We have to experiment. The variations in sensations make world beautiful, just as variations in human personalities, variations in fauna and flora, multicolors and multiple arts and intelligences decorate our life and make it enjoyable. That is the beauty of life actually. Understanding the basic unity and then enjoying the multiplicities of our earth. What a beautiful earth it is. What different colors of flowers, leaves, what different colors of or shades or hues of sunlight, moonlight. Everything is different, multiple arts and intelligences, multiple artistic and scientific creations coming out of various human brains are also like that, a beautiful garden of thoughts. And to lead a blissful existence, probably what a human being can do is to enjoy these beautiful thoughts. That is actually what I have been doing throughout my life. I am not an activist. I am not in any religious or in any political institutions, but I have been enjoying the different colors of the human thoughts, human developments, human mind, human consciousness, and I have been having a existence which I can call it was blissful, because I am not interested in the other mundane things. That is why we get bliss. How do we discriminate a singer's voice from others? Then we are coming to the music therapy in an indirect way. Some say because of familiarity. But How did it become familiar in the beginning? First of all, they say because he or she has been singing for several years and we have been listening all these years. Is that familiarity? But how could we stay in the field for so long with this much of competition? And how come to know that the listeners like us still are fascinated by the same voice? How come like that? And we do hear the same voice without any uh, difficulty. We even now we listen to an old voice. How even if the singer is no more, we listen to the same voice. No? How in the first place this voice became like that? That is the question. So coming to the music enjoyment, these questions arise in our mind. How this person became steadfast in the same field with so many controversies, still that voice is there and it will remain there, and people will go on listening to it without any they won't even think that we have we have to stop the listening. That is not there. So how does this happen? There should be some power behind that consciousness.